If you want to be able to tell if someone has blocked you on Snapchat, you are in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to reveal that, so let's jump right into it. Now, if you are suspecting someone blocking you on Snapchat, maybe your friend or a random person, after watching this video till the very end, you will be able to tell if they really did. So let's jump right into it. Again, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for this method to work properly and for everything to be fully functional. After that, you can finally go ahead and open your Snapchat app, make sure you're logged in, tap right here in the bottom to go to your conversations. If you cannot find that conversation you had with that friend or that anybody, that means they have probably unfriended you or blocked you, But to tell, let me show you how. First, go here to the top left corner and then scroll down and tap on My Friends to go to your friends list. From here, if you cannot find that friend, that means they probably unfriended you. If you want to be able to tell if they really did that or they blocked you, you need to quit from here. So we go back and then go back again. From here, tap on the search icon in the top right there. Now from here, type in their username correctly. If they do not pop up to you in the results, that means they have probably blocked you, not just unfriended you. That is one way. But another way to find out if somebody has really blocked you is if you guys were together in one group chat. So all you need to do is to find that group chat and then go ahead and open it. It doesn't have to be an active group chat, just be there together. Then tap right here in the name of the group chat or the Bitmoji in the top. From here, tap on members. And if you can find them in the members right here, but you cannot access their profiles, this is of course I blocked him, he didn't. But if you cannot access their profiles, or if you do and you cannot add them, that means they have probably blocked you. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Leave your concerns for me, and if you have more questions, leave them down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.